Today we have an honored guest, John Lassaire. He served 22 years in the Canadian Forces. Has a long traditional military history most well. He has 5 postings, or had 5 postings. The first one was overseas, Korea, 1954, May to November. The second posting, Egypt, October, 1957 to 58. Served in the 58th United Nations Emergency Force. The third posting, Palestine, 1960 to 1961. HQ UNF Gaza. The fourth posting, overseas as well, NORAD, HQ, Northern Region, Missouri, 1962 to 1963. And the fifth and last posting, NATO HQ, Northern Army Group, Germany, 1966 to 1969. And now our